So guys, before I start this video, I'm going to share you my live earning because everyone asking me in comment to share my live earning. It's actually depend on how much work I have done in my promoting website. Like sometimes it increase 80.24, and if you see now I have worked so many website promoting my direct link. Okay, that's why my earning is increasing a little bit, like 0.05, 0.02 every minute, and every hour I just generate $1 to $2, depend on how much time you give. So this is a new website, you definitely work in there also. Okay, like others promoting website, this is very good site, and this is very easy to use. You don't need to worry, just paste your link here and you will get unlimited traffic in your Adsterra link. And there is a secret I will share you now today. We will use blogger and we will use a script, and after that we will use direct link. So both everything we will use in one link. Like we will bring 100 impression and we will also redirect the link into a direct link. So this is my secret actually. If you can use your work multiple way, if you can do technical work, if you have technical knowledge in this field, I hope your earning will start in a week, in a day. If you follow this method, I hope you will see the major change of earning in your account. And someone asked telling me in comment like how actually it's working, or maybe ban account. Guys, every time I am showing my account, it is running smoothly. I have also 2 or 3 accounts that's also earning. Okay, so this is the today's topic. We will send traffic. How? This is the method I'm going to share. First you need to open a blog, new post, then click on new post. Okay, after new post you need to give a title here, very simple title. Our target is 100 impression and also including one direct link redirection. That means we will use same link for 2 work. We will achieve 100 impression and also direct link click. Very simple. And this tricks is actually very much working. And use this trick in others promoting side also. And this is a very secret method video. I know some online course will share this as a course material and earn so much by using this type of method. Okay, no problem. Actually, I know I also survived in this line so many years. Then I finally understand how these things actually work. So I hope you will support me. I can share you more technical method like this. So see what actually I am doing. I am actually doing getting some banner link from my website. It is very simple. See, if you want to impression, you must copy the banner code from here. So copy and paste in a Google Sheet. And this is a one-time work. If you have the Google Sheet already, you do not have to copy. Very simple. If you already copy this method, if you have already this sheet, you do not need to do this work now. You can skip this process. Okay. So for new viewers who watching this video for the first time, you can use this method, and this is very simple. And after that I just copied it and copy the code and paste it in here. That's it. So now see, I have 4 different banner code here. I will take another also. This is very important actually. So what actually happening here is I just copied 5 code here and I will repeat it 20 times. So each code 20 times, total 100 impression. Okay, 100 impression. I just make it. Now I will paste it in the blogger. Paste it in here. After that you need a $10 script. You all know who watched my video previous. I have a $10 script which work very much. So I'm going to share you with that script also. So see, after paste the banner code, copy the $10 script from this website. Just copy it as it is. Okay, so copy the $10 script and paste it in here. And after that, you need to change the direct link from here, arrow of your direct link. Okay, so you need to change your direct link here. This is my direct link. You will change it by your direct link. This is very simple work. If you don't know how to do this, just follow as I am doing. Only following my method, you will earn like from one day. Okay, so just change the direct link one by one. Okay, that's it. So guys, as you can see, I just changed all the direct link for you. Actually, I do not need this, but I just changed this for you. So see what actually we are going to do. You just see an example. There is every link will get 20 seconds impression. Every link. So we will divide it into two parts. First, we will collect 100 impression. Then we will redirect the link into a direct link like that. So I am going to using 30,000 seconds. You also use actually this 13 to 12,000. That's it. And keep on the publish button. Okay, your everything work is done. You do not need to worry about nothing more. Just review the post. Actually, how actually it will work. It will give you first 100 impression by clicking on this link. Okay, it will give you 100 impression. We only use 100 because I know in 20 seconds, and it will redirect the blog link into a direct link. That's it. We are using this secret method, guys. No one will tell you actually how useful, or I don't know if anyone have this technical method. This is, I just invented it. So I will give you the link of this website, hercules.com. You just sign up here. Okay, very simple to sign up, and just sign up as requirement. Who watch my video, if you don't understand this, just do as I am doing. You can mute my voice also. You do not want to hear my voice if you don't understand my language, but you can understand what actually I am doing in the screen, and I know it will help you. That's simple. So create first an account. Okay, so after creating account, you may need to verify the account. See how many website I work, so many promoting website I work. That's how my earning is increasing. And you guys always in comments some guys tell that that's not working. Actually you need to do every day. That's how actually you can earn. It is not a one day work. You need to give 7 to 8 hours every day. So after confirm the mail, you can confirm it. See in the spam box everything, I just got the code here. Okay, so I just got the code from here. Confirm the mail, and okay, my mail is now confirmed. So now actually what happening, your one blog link is ready, your sign up is done. Always first thing first, I just completed those things. Now I will setting up my link in here. Click on the zone. Don't skip this video. Click on the zone, okay, and click on continue to the zone. Same, okay. So you just come into here and click on setting and status. There is, see, I already placed a website, but I will change it with my latest work. So share and copy the link. That's it, and paste it in here. Okay, now change URL button. Click on change URL. That's it. Now your work is done. Now what will happen every time you visit others website? You do not any plugin, you do not need any software. It will all things in this web page. It can be done in the mobile also. This method also work in mobile. Very simple. So click on the zone and watch the ads for 20 seconds. Each time you watch the ads, you will get same traffic in your website. See, I will just now see the ad, and after 20 seconds I will get each traffic I am spending here, my time. I will get back this time also in my direct link. This is my goal. That's how I actually bring traffic in my direct link, in my blog link, and that's how actually my earning is increasing, not much, but day by day, little bit. Okay, so see, and you can see here is increasing. Okay, so after each time you watch the ad, you do not need to do anything. Now click on setting and status button again. Okay, now click on gold blur. This is the second part of promotion. This is the zone promotion, and you will power blur. Click on power blur. Click on 35 credits here. Okay, if you have credit, you will see this. Okay, in here you total earn 500 credit. Don't skip this video. You need to earn total 500 credit to post a link in Hercule blurb. This is most important things. You must have 500 total credit in here, and every day 1 hour work must be need from getting high CPM traffic from this website, and this is very active website. You will see the result in your ads tracker. Okay, 350 total credit. Just wait sometimes and generate 500 credit here. You will understand why I am telling you this, because every time you post a link here, you need 500 for Hercule blur, but for the zone you do not need 500 credit. If you watch ad, you will get back the traffic in your site, but in here you need 500 credit, and it will actually work like magic. Okay, now see. Okay, see how actually it is working, and I will just, this is actually same thing we will gonna do. Very simple, we will do same thing. Okay, so see what actually happening. I just refresh it here. I think it will working. Okay, now it is working. Okay, so see, after 500 credit I will show you what to do. After 500 there is 455. So this type of promotion I will make 100 day with online data entry, then a link. This is actually my method. I will also use same method for my direct link. So I think my 500 credit is almost ready. I think. Yes, my 500 credit, it's almost ready. Don't skip this video. Now click on Hercule blur and click on submit your blur. You see why I need 500 credit. You need minimum 500 credit to submit a link here. See, it takes 500 credit or 1 key to submit a Hercule blur, and Power blur are currently receiving 35 impression. That means power blurs, if you anytime post in here, 35 impression is very much important for you. Okay, so you will not get 35 here first time because you using only 500 credit. When you use 1000 credit, okay, then you can submit a power blurb here and it will very effective for you. So I just share you 500, but when you submit the link, you need to write a back, click on the back button. Also you need to write a something text in here. So what your text will be: hi, click on my link, you can earn money online. You can use your ad here by typing another text. Okay, I just use this. So I think I have mistaken my word only money. No problem. So blurb successfully submitted. Now view it. So I'm going to view it. See, hi, click on my link, you can earn money. That's it. Very simple. Okay, that's very simple. This is the link and this is okay. Now what you can do, you can paste the link under the text. I just didn't do that. You must do that. You write, hi, you can earn money from the below link, and paste the link also in there. So see, if you don't have 500 credit, your link cannot be submitted. There will be error show. So guys, that's it. And what actually we have done, it's very simple. We use Hercules plus website, and we use the zone traffic, and very simple to use the zone traffic. And we used Hercules blurb traffic. Hercules blurb traffic, it's very powerful because if you can write here a good things, you will get definitely click like that. Someone also using Hercules blurb like that. So you need to first write your link, and then you need to paste the your blog link in here like that, exactly using that. That's it. So actually Hercules blurb work like that. So I hope you understand. If you don't understand my voice, I suggest you, or I can request you, mute my voice, okay, and do actually what I have did. And don't forget to keep the link under the text in the Hercules blurb. When you submitting the link, keep your link in here, blog link also, okay. After money, paste the link here, submit, and then click on submit. So guys, today that's it. I hope by using this method your earning will start very soon. And you see, in my last 5 or 10 videos, every videos is earning money, every videos generating $1 in my Adsterra account. You know what, sometimes you need to do hard work. Without hard work, without giving the time, you cannot earn. I have experience. I also survived in this line so many years. Like I also wanted a passive income. Now I know the method, and you know what, I am sharing with that you, because in the YouTube so many people sharing so many things. I don't know who actually right, who actually wrongs, because I also seen so many tutorial, but now no person share this type of video in the YouTube, and I am taking the initiative. I am sharing this with you. You know what, your support must need for me, because every times I work for you, I need a appreciation, or what you call, I need, if I get a subscribe from you, if I get a like from you, it will help me to work more for you guys. Thank you.